Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 25 stocks including Cochin Shipyard, Vidol, Page Industries, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Cochin Shipyard Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1361. Cochin Shipyard announced a dividend of rupees 3.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 12th February 2025. NHPC Limited. NHPC. Share is trading around rupees 77. NHPC announced a dividend of rupees 1.4 per share. Ex-date and record date for the dividend is fixed as 13th February 2025. Vidol Corporation Limited. Vidol. Share is trading around rupees 1602. Vidol Corporation announced a dividend of rupees 12 per share. 13th February is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Capital India Finance Limited. Share is trading around rupees 175. Capital India Finance announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Capital India Finance, you will get another 100 share of Capital India Finance as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Record date for the dividend. Record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by Capital India Finance. Uniparts India Limited. Uniparts. Share is trading around rupees 356. Uniparts announced a dividend of rupees 7.5 per share. 12th February is fixed as the record date for the dividend. United Wanderhost Limited. Share is trading around rupees 127. United Wanderhost announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share with 13th February as record date. Indian Toners and Developers. Share is trading around rupees 294. Indian Toners and Developers announced a dividend of rupees 4.5 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 10th February 2025. Man Infra Construction Limited. Man Infra. Share is trading around rupees 192. Man Infra announced a dividend of 45 paise per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 12th February 2025. Torrent Power Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1407. Torrent Power announced a dividend of rupees 14 per share. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 12th February 2025. Page Industries Limited. Page Int. Current market price rupees 42,983. Page Industries announced a dividend of rupees 150 per share. 13th February is fixed as the ex-date and record date for the dividend. Symphony Limited. Symphony. Share is trading around rupees 1,242. Symphony announced a dividend of rupees 2 per share. 11th February is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Disha India Limited. Current market price rupees 16,074. Disha India announced a dividend of rupees 100 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 11th February 2025. TT Limited. TTL. Share is trading around rupees 154. TTL announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 12th February 2025. Anand Rathi Wealth Limited. Share is trading around rupees 3,698. Anand Rathi Wealth announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Anand Rathi Wealth, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 200 shares. Record date for the bonus yet to be announced by Anand Rathi Wealth. IPOs. Ajax Engineering. Face value rupees 1 per share. Price band rupees 599 to 629. Lot size 23 shares. IPO opens on 10th February and closes on 12th February 2025. Base of allotment 13th February. Initiation of funds 14th February. Credit of shares to demat account 14th February. Listing date of Ajax Engineering is fixed as 17th February 2025. Ajax Engineering Limited. Incorporated in July 1992, Ajax Engineering Limited manufactures a wide range of concrete equipment and services across the value chain. As of September 30, 2024, the company has developed 141 concrete equipment variants for the value chain and sold over 29,800 units in India in the last 10 years. As of September 30, 2024, the design, engineering and development team has 79 full-time employees, about 15.96% of the total workforce. As of September 30, 2024, Ajax Engineering Limited has 4 facilities in Karnataka located at Obadanahalli, Gauri Bidanur and Bashattihalli, each specializing in different products, especially the Obadanahalli facility. As of September 30, 2024, the company has 51 dealerships across 23 states in India, providing 114 touchpoints, including 51 headquarters and 63 branches, 34 of which also serve as service centers. As of September 30, 2024, the company has established 25 dealers and distributors across South and Southeast Asia, the Middle East and Africa. As of September 30, 2024, the company has sold concrete equipment and spare parts to over 15,700 customers. This is the balance sheet of Ajax Engineering Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in crores. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.